Hi friends, Joey Jones here. Just wanted to do a video today about seller paid closing costs. You may have heard the term, but may not be familiar with exactly how they work. Sometimes I get clients who will call me and say, okay, I got a contract, I'm buying a house for $200,000, go ahead and roll those closing costs into my loan. It doesn't work like that. The only way to include seller paid closing costs is if you structure your contract correctly, and I'm going to give you a scenario here. So let's say you're buying a house for $200,000. You're utilizing FHA financing, which requires a 3.5% down payment. So a $200,000 purchase price, 3.5% down is $7,000. Now let's say this house has a total closing cost figure of $6,000. So you offer $200,000, you've got to come up with $7,000 for the down payment, and then you've also got to come up with $6,000 for the total closing costs. You bring in $13K to the closing table in this scenario. Same house, scenario 2. Let's say we offer $206,000 to the seller and structure $6,000 in seller paid closing costs into your offer. So now you're bringing 3.5% of $206,000, which is $7,210. So all you've done is increase your cash to close by about $200. And now you're rolling your closing costs into your loan by structuring your contract by increasing the sales price and including seller paid closing costs. Now from the seller's perspective, it's kind of the same offer because scenario 1, the $200,000 offer, they net $200,000. Scenario 2, it's $206,000 minus $6,000 in seller pays because seller paid closing costs are just a reduction in the seller's proceeds. So they're netting $200,000 even in that scenario. So it's kind of the same offer. So a lot of people include seller paid closing costs. It's very common. The caveat, the thing to keep in mind, is the house must appraise for that higher 206 value in this scenario. So if we go 206, 6,000 in seller pays, you're only bringing $7,210 to the closing table, saving you $6,000 out of pocket, and you're rolling your closing costs into the loan. There's a lot of stuff that goes on in the mortgage industry. I'm going to continue to do informational videos. I hope you found this valuable. Please let us know if you have any questions or ideas for content. We'll be rolling out new videos every week. Have an awesome day.